Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and we have just checked in at the Wynn, which is where we're staying in Vegas on vacation. I thought I would start the vacation, or we'll see if I even end up remembering to film at all, so this might be the only video you get, with a room tour. And I'm chilling in a bra because I got hot and sweaty on that plane. So here is where you enter, and then our bathroom's right next to that. Nice big shower, huge, beautiful tub, double vanity action. Very excited about that. I've already unpacked all my stuff. And then a little toilet closet. Robes, of course. Huge mirror that I was just talking to you guys in. Really huge. And then this is the closet. I've already unpacked a bunch of my stuff, and Austin did too, so it's just full of all of our crap. Okay. And then you go in, there's this little dresser slash stand thing, all of my shoes. Nice little table, and the view, which isn't of anything in particular, but it's still nice. A lot of trees. Then we've got the little bar and the TV, 2 chairs, another humongous mirror. That mirror makes me feel particularly short. And Austin relaxing in bed with 2 nightstands and lamps and more mirrors. And then this fun little art on the wall. And that's our room. So that is our room. We're all settled in now, and luckily we were able to do early check-in, like a really early check-in, way earlier than they normally do. But we did the self-check-in, and it was ready. So we just came up to our room, which is pretty sweet. These are Pacifica eye masks, by the way. I'm going to throw them out. I think we'll probably rest for a minute and then find somewhere to eat. So that is the plan for day 1 of Vegas. Try and adjust to the time change and relax. For lunch, we went over to Truth and Tonic in the Venetian. It's kind of hard to find. You have to go to the guest elevator and have the guard sign you in. It was very complicated to get to, but once we were there, it was delicious. It's apparently the only full vegan spot on the strip, which is really cool. I got this coconut rum coffee, which was delicious, absolutely delicious. I mean, maybe you don't need a hot drink on a hot day, but I loved it. But it did keep me up and unable to nap later in the day. Austin got this really tasty green juice. It was a really well balanced. Didn't taste like straight celery, which was nice. For our meal, I got these tacos. These were the breakfast egg tacos with just egg and some vegan cheese. Was delicious. And the little side salad was really good too, actually. Austin got the chicken and avocado wrap, and he actually really liked that as well. So the meal was really good. Hello. So, in the time since you've last seen, what did I share? Food from Trust and Tonic. That's what it was called. In the Venetian. So, on the way there, we walked around the Venetian a little bit, but mostly after we left. We walked around some more, explored there. I bought some sunglasses. Some Maui Jims. I've been wanting a pair of them for a long time. These look really good on me. Love those. And then, what else did we do? Then we came back, we explored the Wynn a bit. I don't know if I mentioned we were staying in the Wynn, but we're staying in the Wynn. We tried to take naps. Neither of us could sleep. It was awful. I'm so tired. I have a headache. I am exhausted. And I'm ready to really sleep. And I probably shouldn't have had the coconut rum coffee, because I'm sure that affected my ability to nap. What else? We showered, got ready. We have dinner reservations at La Cave. They have a little assortment of vegan options, and that's in our hotel. And we figured that'd be just easy because we're both really exhausted, but we're gonna have to make ourselves stay up to get adjusted to the time change. So yeah, that is what we're doing right now. I'm in my Aritzia Tempest dress and I've got these Dolce Vita shoes. I don't know if they're real or not, but I found them at Marshall's and it said there was no leather, so that was good. Yeah, I'll record what we get at dinner, but ain't nothing special going on right now. We're just in survival mode. Me especially, not him so much. His toe's hurting a little. I don't know if I've ever mentioned before, but Austin gets gout in one of his big toes, which is weird because he doesn't drink or eat animal products, which is weird. But I'm just like, my whole body shuts down when I don't sleep well. I hope you guys can't hear him peeing in the bathroom. Okay, we're gonna head to dinner. Oh, I did want to show you guys one thing before we go. I get these little shorts on Amazon. I've got them in white and nude and black to wear under my dresses because I get major chub rub. I'm going to link them for you guys because they are a lifesaver. Nothing has worked for me. Deodorant, powders, nothing. But these shorts work. So, we're off to dinner. I also wanted to share Austin's new shirt. It's really cool. Like this different color patchwork thing. I got him this at J. Crew recently. And I'll link to that if it's still in stock too. On our way to dinner, we stopped so I could film a little bit of this beautiful installation in the lobby at the Wynn. It was just gorgeous. You'll have already seen this if you follow me on Instagram because of course I had to take a cute little picture for it for my Instagram. But then we went straight to La Cave and it's got a cool like dark cavey vibe, but of course there is outdoor seating too in case you want a little bit of a brighter environment. There were tons of wine. It was supposed to be their like wine bar there. So it was a cool environment. The food, however, was meh. The fettuccine just was missing something. It was garlicky and creamy, but it just didn't have something. I don't know. It was missing a pop. Same for Austin's risotto. It was not great. Yeah, I can't recommend this place. So we just got back from dinner from La Cave because we're switching shoes. I was wearing cute shoes. We're gonna go and walk around and try to stay awake. Maybe go see the Bellagio fountains. And yeah, so dinner was very underwhelming. I would say La Cave should not be on your must go and visit list if you're coming to Vegas because I had fettuccine. I make better pasta than that. He had risotto. I make better risotto than that. And the beets were just whelming. They were good with the cream and the pistachios, but I don't know, they were just okay. So, and there wasn't enough cream for all the beets anyway. Underwhelming. I got a Riesling. Sweeter than I expected. I know it can be hit or miss with Riesling. The wine itself was good though, even though it was sweeter than I like. Yeah. Not fave. Probably not a place you need to hit up. After dinner, we hit the strip, did a whole bunch of walking, and we went and got to see the Bellagio fountain show. I can't include the audio on this because it was a mashup of Dynamite and Butter by BTS, so I would absolutely get hit with a copyright restriction on this video. But I wish I could include the audio so you could hear the sound that the fountain makes when it like bursts the really tall water spouts up. It's just so interesting. It's really cool. This is definitely a must if you go to Las Vegas. It was just a really good free activity. And I think the show is every like half hour or 15 minutes or something. So it clears out in between. You're usually able to find a nice view, which was really nice. I really loved it. And I was surprised by how many children were in Las Vegas. Obviously, this was a good activity for children since it's free and it's very, very entertaining and captivating. But I guess people go to Vegas with their kids. I had no idea. It was very like a strange realization. But after this, we just walked home, back to the Wynn, and kind of settled in for the night. Traveling is really tough on the body. I'm okay with planes. I'm just not okay with time changes and lack of sleep. It is rough. It is 9:39 and I have washed my face and brushed my teeth and I'm in bed. I'm so tired. We got up at 3 in the morning Eastern Standard Time to fly over here, and I'm completely 100% pooped and cannot function anymore, so we're in bed. We walked, I'd say, a good half or more of the strip and saw a lot of things. A couple of homeless folk passed out on the ground, which, you know, just made it feel like home. I wish that was a joke. But yeah, we did a lot of walking, saw a lot of everything lit up at night. We'll probably explore things in more depth as the week goes on, but I am so beat. So that is day 1 of Las Vegas. We'll see what tomorrow has to offer.